Welcome to this comprehensive overview of the Warwick Business School MSc in Finance program. If you're considering a top tier finance degree, WBS stands out as an exceptional choice. Let's dive into why this program might be the perfect fit for you. First, let's talk about the fundamentals. This is a 1 year full time program offered at the prestigious Warwick campus in the UK. Conducted entirely in English, it's ranked 4th in the UK and 19th worldwide in the Financial Times Masters in Finance Pre Experience, ranking 2024. Quite an impressive ranking, isn't it? The MSc in Finance at WBS has three primary objectives. Firstly, it aims to provide deep theoretical and conceptual knowledge of finance. You'll build a strong foundation in financial theories, principles, and analytical frameworks. Secondly, the program focuses on developing your quantitative skills, ensuring you're equipped for various financial industry careers. Finally, it encourages you to challenge, evaluate, and rethink established financial paradigms, pushing you to become a forward thinking finance professional. Now, let's explore the key features of the program. The curriculum is closely aligned with the CFA program, preparing you for one of the most recognized certifications in finance. Moreover, the program emphasizes skills needed for the AI driven future of finance, such as data analysis, machine learning, and fintech. Lastly, WBS offers excellent connections with key financial institutions, providing valuable networking opportunities. The MSc Finance program has a well structured curriculum. You'll cover 7 core modules essential for a strong foundation in finance. You also have the flexibility to choose optional modules that cater to your interests and career goals. And to top it off, you'll complete a dissertation, giving you the chance to conduct independent research. The core modules cover a comprehensive range of finance topics. They include quantitative methods for finance, asset pricing, corporate finance, investment management, empirical finance, ethics and financial regulation, and corporate governance. The research methodology module ensures you have the skills for rigorous financial research. For those looking to specialize, you can select from optional modules like behavioral finance, big data analytics, mergers and acquisitions, financial statement analysis, and security valuation. These modules allow you to tailor your learning experience to your career aspirations. WBS MSc Finance offers international opportunities to broaden your perspective. You can study with a European Business School partner, gaining insights into European business practices. You'll also be part of a diverse international cohort, which enriches your learning experience. Now, let's talk about your future. WBS provides personalized career coaching, helping you identify your strengths and create a tailored career action plan. The program boasts extensive industry connections with leading financial institutions, and the curriculum is aligned with employer needs, ensuring you're job ready upon graduation. The 2023 cohort consists of 70 students from 23 nationalities with an average age of 23. This diversity creates an enriching environment where you can learn from your peers' varied experiences. To be eligible, you need a first or two, one degree in a relevant field, such as business, economics, or finance. You should also demonstrate academic aptitude through GMAT or GRE scores and provide evidence of English language proficiency, typically through IELTS or TOEFL. The application process involves completing an online form, submitting a CV, personal statement, academic transcripts, and 2 academic references. Selected candidates might also undergo an informal interview. Applications are processed on a rolling basis. If you're wondering if this is the right master's program for you, reach out to us at GOALisB for application assistance. You can contact us via email at contact@goalisb.com or visit our website www.goalisb.com. We are here to help guide you through your journey.